Oh viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make a paper coil flower with a paper coiling. Okay, I'm telling you about paper coiling. Paper coiling is a paper coil. We fold a paper and make a flowers, petals or anything with it. Now I draw a line on it because I didn't find my cutter. So I cut with the scissor. Okay, this line, cut it this line, and now cut another 4 papers line. Now I make it circle with it by folding it. Okay, I fold this strip to make a petal or a circle. Okay, circle it, circle it, circle it, circle it. Now it's not a difficult. Okay. Now look, it's almost completed. Okay, I use a glue. Use any glue for paste it. Okay, look, this petal is ready. Now I make other petals. Okay, my all petals are ready. Paste these petals like this pattern. Paste it. I use 7 petals to make a flower with it. Okay, my flower is almost ready. Look, it looks amazing. It's a paper coiling flower. We make these paper or a method to make petals, flower, butterflies